has made everything beautiful in its time. Today is one of the most precious days in my life. Dearest Dieter, the challenges that we overcame taught me the true essence of love, which I promise to protect and cherish with everything I have.
You are starting a life today, life that is being shared together. Iso nga te ragsak ti maysa, ragsak yu adwa. Tay problema ti maysa, problema yu adwa. Tay balay ti maysa, balay yu adwa. Because your life is now one, it's now united, and you have to share everything to make you better.
Mary Rose.
It can only be you.
Thank you!
Can't explain this feeling where I am found.
Wow! May pa-gold. Thank you!
Distance faded when you're pulling me close, like a whisper in the middle of the night. Your love catches me by surprise. I'm awakened to the rhythm of your heart. Here you promise me that we will never.
Zenby Grace, imay kamet laeng ditoy as ibubulos tanakem mo, tapno ising galot mo itagnanayon tabagim iti panagayat ken panagserbi ken ni Dieter nga asawam.
When apo.
Dieter, imay kamet lang dito as ibubulos tanakem mo, tapno ising galot mo itagnanayon tabagim iti panagayat ken panagserbi ken ni Zenby Grace nga asawam.
When apo.
I vow to love you unconditionally, to fill your life with laughter and joy. I vow to consider you in all that I do, at pipiliin kita araw-araw. I vow to you that we will face each other together.
Like a whisper in the middle of the night. Your love catches me by surprise. I'm awakened to the rhythm of your heart. Here you promise me that we will never part. You love me forever. You love me forever. You love me forever, forever.
Zenby, ito na yung araw na ibinigay sa atin ng Panginoon. Birthday ko pa, para tayo ay mapag-isa. Hindi na ito yung simula natin. Kasi mula noong nagsisimula pa lang tayo, magkasama na tayo sa lahat. Admitarek nga noawan ka nga simangbay kanyak, Zenby. Marigatan ak kumanga ng ragpat noan niya naktatta, ken noan nati pagtaktak derak tatta.
Thank you.
I think about you when I wake up, before my feet hit the floor. What you putting on your makeup?
Ano't ano man ang mangyari, nasa tabi mo lang ako palagi. I vow to meet your needs at susuportahan kita sa mga pangarap mo. Alam mo yan since day one. To share my dreams and fears with you fearlessly. I vow to create a home filled with love, peace, happiness, and respect.
You still take my breath away. You still take my breath away. It's hard to find the words to tell you how I feel, and every time I try, you know that you still take my breath away.
I vow to be true, loyal, and to be your faithful wife. To give you my life, my love, and the best of myself completely. I will live out these promises to you each day for the rest of my life. Kay Ayatenta.
Mahal na mahal kita, Jen P. At excited na akong makasama ka sa mga susunod na kabanata ng ating habang buhay.